Hello, today I'm going to discuss about Nifty 50. Nifty 50 yesterday closed around 17,530.85 level, which is if you check in a monthly closing, it is around 413 point down, whereas uh, you know in a daily closing basis, it is around uh, 346 point down as per the data. Now, question is, what is the trend? What is going to happen from here? If we check the open interest and volume record, we'll find that there's a smart buyers are started selling their Nifty 50, Nifty futures also. If you check the future chart, now let's check the scenario through our model. We have done 6 months analysis on Nifty 50, where we can find uh, the high in the last 6 months has made around 18,070, whereas minimum is the lowest is low rather 15,293. So from where what these are all entirely for the statistical analysis. Let's go to the results. What you find over here, and then price action, you can see there's a uh, dip over here. Nifty yesterday, last 2 days has made a dip over here. Now, as per the price time analysis, what we find is this: the level where Nifty is now is in this level, 17,431, in the range of 17,431 to 17,679. It's important Nifty to should take the support 17,431 level, like this level, to go and go upward, and if once it breaks this level 17,679, you will see there's a lot of volume to come inside. A lot of buying will be happening in this point, and it will go upward. If Nifty breaks this even towards the southern side, 17,431, then you'll find a lot of sale is going to happen. A lot of sell volume will increase in selling. People will dispose, FIIs and all will dispose if 17,431 level, and you'll find, and but it is not going to go down further more. If we check, this is last 6 months data, you can see the big support is over here as a huge buildings over in this place. So you can see a support, and this level 16,686 is a big level, while Nifty will take a support definitely if it breaks this 17,431 level. So as 100 points down, 1,000 point down, there's a support, big support. So let's talk now. This if Nifty breaks this level 17,679 and goes northward, then we'll find the target will definitely go up another 400 point from here, and I can find that Nifty is 400 is very near. If Nifty breaks this point 17,679 and go upward for some time. If we check the trend chart, now this is a trend chart. It's simply saying that Nifty is now there's no trend. There's no trend in Nifty. There's no trend now. So it is no trend means not even bullish or bearish trend. If it is a bearish trend, you would have been find the bigger buildings over here, or any trend you'll find bigger buildings in a positive side. There's no trend over here in this place. So be assured, this is not a is in a bearish market, or Nifty is not going to go down, what I understand from this chart for last 6 months analysis. So as of now, Nifty is in a safe mode unless Nifty breaks this 17,431 and comes further down. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for more updates.